Professional performance every day. From chemistry to powered equipment, Betco has the total solutions bundle to solve any facility challenge. Our products have been tested and proven to outperform the competition. Quality and consistency is a must-have for all of Betco's high-performing products, helping us deliver professional performance every day. Betco is known for professional performance in floor care. Betco has the answers to reduce labor costs, increase efficiency, and optimize processes. From VCT to carpet and concrete to grouted tile, trust Betco to improve the appearance of your floors while protecting your investment with tailored products and programs. But it's not just floor care. Professional performance from Betco can solve any challenge. From degreasers to disinfectants and restroom cleaners to odor management, we offer facility solutions that enhance the cleanliness and health of the environment. Betco's dilution control systems are the most versatile in the industry and are designed to provide consistent product performance across a number of dispenser types. The fast draw bottle design fits all dispensing systems for simplified training and use. Our comprehensive line of hand hygiene solutions help reduce the spread of illness-causing bacteria and decrease costs. From tabletop hand sanitizers to heavy-duty industrial hygiene, Betco offers options for maintaining cleanliness in any environment. When it comes to laundry and warewashing, our premium products are uniquely designed to deliver a one-wash clean. Many products are low environmental impact and feature no-contact Sure Connect dispensing. Comprehensive assessment tools help create a clean, safe, and simple program. Our continuing sustainability efforts are focused on assuring high-performing, consistent products that perform equal to or better than conventional products without adverse impact on the environment and the health of the user and employees. Certified. All sustainable products are third-party or Green Earth certified. Tested. All products are verified by internal or external testing. Proven. Sustainable products have been part of successful programs for over 30 years and are field tested. Betco leads the way in microbial cleaning. This continuous, sustainable cleaning is safe and effective. Our comprehensive line of probiotic solutions is perfect for a variety of markets. Betco completed construction of a brand new state-of-the-art fermentation facility, Envirozyme, allowing for vertical integration in the category. Our expertise doesn't stop with the chemicals. Our cleaning solutions are complemented by a full line of equipment. Enhancing your productivity is our goal. Betco equipment is built to provide years of reliable service to achieve the highest level of clean. Betco provides valued expertise beyond the product that inspires confidence from our partners. Our turnkey programs provide simplified solutions and guaranteed outcomes for facility maintenance challenges. Betco.com. Betco is dedicated to being a digital leader and provider of processes that embody the future of clean. These learning tools are all available 24/7. MyBetco offers a streamlined user experience with new features that enhance Betco.com accounts. MyBetco's tools and resources are available across devices, providing access to all digital tools under one virtual roof. In addition to in-person training solutions, our e-learning courses feature relevant content with interactive tools for every learning style, complete with knowledge checks and quizzes. Upgrade to Team Lead status to experience intuitive team and user management. Whether you're an individual seeking professional growth or a team aiming for collective excellence, MyBetco is your answer. For more information, please visit www.betco.com or call 888-GO-BETCO.